Hi everyone, it's Donna from Ontario, Canada, from Sunshine Design. I'm just coming on really quick today because I received my yarn swap from Isla, who was my yarn swap partner in Lama Mama Kayla's swap. This was my first time doing it. I already sent my package to her and I received mine, so I'm going to go through with it. I'm just downstairs in my art room, and I don't want you to see behind because remember we had the flood and now we have everything fixed, and I'm just bringing all my boxes and everything back in. So I'm just kind of organizing and opening box after box of art supplies. So I am going to do a before and after video. I did take a before already, so once I'm all done, then you'll get to see my art room. So I have 3 sections that I do my watercolor and ink. I have a section where I do my journals, and just a section for my yarn. I basically crochet upstairs or while I'm watching TV, not so much in here though. Sometimes in here. This chair is usually on the other side. There are 2 of them with a table, and I'm facing the television and I watch my YouTube videos. But that's in the winter. Usually in the summer, I'm upstairs crocheting or in the other room watching television. So anyways, let's get on with this yarn swap. I'm going to unbox it. It's the only glasses I could find. All my art glasses, my reading glasses that I use are all over the place. So here we go. I'll just start with the, sorry about that. With a pretty card. I didn't look at, I opened the box, but I haven't been through it. So I did look at the card though. I did open the card, and it's a beautiful card. And she says something about that the card was designed by her 6-year-old grandson and made by his school for a fundraiser. So they made their artwork into cards. It's so pretty. Oh, there's my dog. He's barking. He thinks he owns the street. Okay, so let's see what we got. The first thing, one of my favorite teas. I can't remember if we told each other our favorite teas. Must have. Caffeine-free peppermint stash. I haven't tried this brand before. We were linked up. She's out west in Edmonton, Alberta, I believe. And I think Lama Mama tried to link up people so that it wouldn't cost so much in shipping, but Canada, forget it. It's expensive everywhere we ship. It costs the same for me to ship out west as it does out east, and I can, for the same price, I can ship to like Timbuktu in the UK. So for us, it really doesn't matter. Probably maybe makes a difference for you guys in the States, but for us, it doesn't matter where we ship. It's expensive. So first of all, some sock yarn. I haven't made socks before, but it's beautiful yarn. Maybe I'll give it a try. I was considering it, like, not to wear in shoes or boots, but to wear around the house in the winter or when I run in the garage. Anyways, that's awesome. Pretty colors. Let's see what else here. Another patterns. I don't think I've ever tried patterns before, but it's a really pretty pink. And the light is not good in here. I can't, it's 100% acrylic, this one. I really like the pink, and it's, I told her my favorite was size 3 weight, and so far that's what it looks like. It's really pretty. What's this one? This is Lion Brand Sock Ease. That's really pretty. That's a really nice color. This is like, what? This looks more like a 2. What is this here? Oh, it's a 1, so it's like really thin. This would be really nice for a very drapey shawl. Very nice, very nice. Okay, what else we have here? Oh, okay, these 2 are kind of in the same brand, so I guess you could use these together. That would look really pretty together. What else? Some baby. Wow, that's really soft. really pretty, like a real mellow yellow. That's really, really nice. That would probably go good with this. More decisions, more decisions. Okay, oh, this is really nice. Sardar, I haven't heard of that brand before. Very pretty. Hopefully you guys can see this. It's like a minty green. The lighting is awful in here. Sorry, I should have checked that out first. But this is, it doesn't have a color number, but I haven't heard of that brand before. But beautiful, beautifully soft. All these actually would probably go together really nicely. For my granddaughter, can make her something. That's beautiful, actually, really nice. And what else do we have? Oh, it's so cute. Isn't that adorable? It's a little keychain hook. I don't know what you call them, but aw, these are these TY dolls. I've bought so many of these for my grandkids. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you, thank you. And what else do we have here? Ooh, there's nothing better in life than coffee and chocolate. If I was stuck on a desert island, if I just had coffee and chocolate and some yarn and craft supplies, I'd be happy. Double coated. This looks really good. I've never had this before. Looks really good. Some more tea. Green premium. I love green. These are my two favorites. So yeah, I must have told her. But peppermint and green tea. Love green tea. Love green tea. I'm trying to drink more of it and less in the coffee a little bit. But it's so hard. I love coffee so much. Okay. Oh, and also she did tell me in the note that because I make journals, that's another one of my passions is journals, which you probably already know if you've watched some of my videos. But she said she put some stuff in for the creative journaling that I do. And it's a whole little stack of different ribbons, which I definitely use in my my journals to, you know, to put tags and little sentiment tags and things. And I use them all over the place for beads and for bookmarks, you know. Thank you. That was really good. That's really thoughtful. Thank you. What else? Oh, there's a little tin. I love cactus too. That's another thing. I really have a love for cactus. I can't grow other plants, but I like cactus. I like how they're slow, take their time, and you know, grow. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's a really cute little tin for embellishments and more things for the journal. So some really pretty ribbon. That's really nice. It's like an animal print. Polka dots. Love polka dots. And what's this? Oh, all tiny little rosebuds. Oh, I use these in my journals a lot too. That's awesome. She must have watched my other videos. And I love this little tin for little special embellishments. That's gorgeous. And speaking of cactus, I have yet to ever have a cactus that flowers. When I've gone traveling, I just spend so much time and so I take so many pictures of cactuses, and especially if they have a flower. Oh, I just love it. If I ever live south, that's what I would have. Oh, there's some more yarn. We have some more yarn down here. Fashion Soft. Oh, this is beautiful. And blues are my favorite colors. Oh, very nice. Fashion Soft. I don't know if I've seen that before. Red Heart. 348 meters. And it feels like acrylic. Let's see. Can't tell. Where is it? Uh-oh, I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, 100% acrylic. Oh, it's so soft. You know, I love yarn so much that I would just like to have just it all on display, and some of it I don't even touch because I just like how all the colors look. They look so yummy. Just, that's why I can't stop buying yarn. Okay. Oh, and a cute little owl bag. Look at this. It's so cute. Oh, and it's a zipper. That a great tote bag. That's awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Isla. Oh, that's still got the new little plasticky thing on it. There we go. Oh, it's awesome. It's lined. It's beautiful. Thank you. It's so cute. Thank you so much. And that's it. That's awesome. That's fun. I'm going to definitely do the yarn swap again. And I really enjoyed putting a box together for somebody and kind of putting little treats and little special things in it. I really enjoyed it. And it's fun to open and have things that, you know, brands and things that you never tried before. So that's it. That's the yarn swap. So I'm going to post this on Lama Mama Kayla's Facebook group, where they're all posting what they got for their yarn swap. And like I said, I think the next one, if I remember right, I think she said the beginning of July they were going to be starting a new one. So I'll definitely be in that one. It was a lot of fun. So anyways, thank you everybody for joining me, and hope you have a wonderful day. And I'm going to get back to organizing this and getting out in the garden for a little while, and talk to everybody soon. Bye.